You're trying to replace the earpads on your BlackShark V2X headphones, but you don't know how? This video is the one you need. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Razer BlackShark V2X model. Now it's very important. The earpads that I'm about to show you today are only going to fit the BlackShark V2X. They're not going to fit the BlackShark V2 Pro or the other BlackShark models. Now, if you're wondering where you can actually grab some replacement earpads for this headphone, I might know the person. It's called Wicked Cushions. I run it. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions. And if you want to grab them, the link is at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Go check them out. By the way, if I did not mention, the earpads that we sell come with a 365-day warranty. They're thicker than the original. They're softer than the original. They come in cooling gel right now and our sick designs. So let me move you to the top of the table right now and let me show you how to replace these earpads. All right, now let's start. As you can see on one side, I already put the earpad. I used our red camo velour design. So I'll show you how to put the other one. So you're just going to grab it from this side and we're going to pull it to the other side. At first, it might be a little bit difficult, but you'll see that it slips off. So the way that the earpads install and stay in place is that this little backside flap goes into this little narrow gap that you can see right here. Now, I'm going to warn you, it's going to be a little difficult for people who did not do that before, just because the gap is very narrow on these headphones. So I'm going to grab the new earpad, our red camo design. And what you want to do is you want to get at least the first piece of the flap. I always try to start from like the top corner, if you can call it a corner because it's circle. But I start with the top to the side. I get a part of it, as you can see, and then I hold it with my free index finger. Once I hold it, and this is key, don't be afraid to do that. You're going to stretch the earpad. The way I stretch it is I take my index finger inside and my thumb, and that's the way I kind of direct the backside flap into the gap. Now this is very important. Once you got more parts into the gap, you always want to keep pressure on it when you move your hands around. So you see how I always keep the pressure and try to keep them inside, because the flap will slip away if you don't hold it. So I'm just gonna go all around, do the same thing, stretch the earpad, get the flap inside, and I am done. Once I'm done, I'm gonna shuffle this back and forth like this. It will make the flap go inside a little bit more. And if you wanna tuck it in even deeper, you can grab like a credit card or something like that and just go inside the gap right here. And that is it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I hope that it was helpful. If you want to contact me, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below or contact me via my email, which is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I'll see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.